Greetings from Shakthi International School. In this video, I'm going to share some interesting information about 6 future trends in technology. First one is artificial intelligence, AI technology. Machines are replacing human-driven process to deliver work faster and more efficiently. Second one, blockchain. The world's most popular digital currency wallet makes your digital assets more safe and feasible. Third one is big data. Business are trying to leverage big data in the technological world to boost their business. Fourth one is augmented reality. Facilitates the enhancing of reality by adding virtual effects to your real-time situations, which is very much useful in this online education mode. And the next one is virtual reality. Alters the real-time situations, takes you to a new virtual world accessible anywhere, anytime. The last but not least, Internet of Things. Transfers data over a network of devices without real-time interactions with a human or machines. So these are all the 6 different future trends in technology. So thank you all.